Welcome back, everyone, to another episode of the Rad Skatepark check-in across New York City. I am Vincent Basile from Rad Boardsport Co. Anthony Biondo behind the lens. Today I have Vinny Batiste, Vinny Baditi. Hey, forget
Batiste.
about it. Batiste, I think you said. Vinny Batiste. Forget about it. And we also have Trevor at TRADEMARK, who rides for Wayward Soul, Hungry Bear, Daggers, and Sweet Impact. This is episode 40, and we arrived at the Thomas Jefferson skate park here in Harlem, New York. It's a cloudy day, nice cool fall day. Let's see what this park has to offer. Let's go check it out and get a closer look. First thing I want to show you is this nice crashed UFO bank right here. Incline, it's not too steep. There's this little hump, little speed bump. A lot bigger than the ones I've usually seen. Wall ride slash pyramid ledge. Don't usually see ones this big. We see them in parks, but they're smaller. It has stuff you could grind on it. Coping. We say that again. It has coping on it so you could grind it. Use that one. Here's a closer look at the other bank. But over here, we have this fun box manual pad that's got 2 benches attached to the top. It's got this brick in between so you can gap that. Right across from that, we have this little built-in ledge that's attached to this A bank that has 2 ledges attached to it. 1 A-frame bank to ledge. This is super nice. You got a quarter pipe and it goes right into another quarter pipe. On that side is another quarter pipe, which makes 1 mini ramp. I think it's a ledge on that side. Let me straighten myself out. We made it to the back part of the skate park, and here's another ledge feature. Attached to that quarter pipe is a little curb. Get your little 50-50 grinds in there. Get your slappies on, your little tail stalls and your nose stalls. Here's a closer look at that little curb. But you have this bank. What is it? Pyramid? Half a pyramid? It's a hip. Hip. It's a hip. What am I talking about? I can't even get it together. It's a hip. I knew that. You have a hip right here. It looks like a 5 block with a round rail on this side and a flat bar on this side that's attached to this bank and big hub. The main part, the big section, that's what they call it. Last stuff I'm gonna show you in this skate park, a little gap right here attached to this big ledge. So you could either hit the bank part and attack the ledge, or you could just fly right over from either direction.
Kicker gap, right?
Yeah, a little kicker. Gap, little gappage. Last but not least, another A-frame rail, bank to bank, and A-frame ledge. That is the whole park, and you guys know what time it is. It's time to produce some clips. Let's go. That's one.
Well, I'm about to get one too.
On the bank?
On the bank? We do back one onto the wall ride. Back one
That's
onto
you.
that.
All right, yeah.
I'm next.
You're live. Yo, we got no problem. Nice. You alright? I gotta land it next try. Ground report, how's the ground?
The ground in there?
Yeah.
It's pretty good.
How's
pretty
the smell?
good. It smells like garbage.
The ground is lit. The smell is...
You don't want that smell in your house, around your house, nowhere near it.
The ground is good here.
But the ground's great.
Ground? Smell?
Round, round.
Harlem, baby, Harlem. The deck. First, shout out to Anthony, always killing it behind the lens. Shout out to Trevor, showing up. Shout out to Vinny.
Gabagoo.
Capiche? And shout out to you guys for watching.
Shout out to Rad. Shout out to Rad. Vinny Boom Boom.
Oh,
right here for being the announcer for the day. You know, taking us out, showing us the park.
good connection.
Good,
Yes.
yeah.
I dragged him out of Mastic. I found him in Mastic and I pulled him out. So we're coming here.
Now we're in Harlem.
We came to the Harlem Park, Thomas Jefferson Skate Park. Hopefully you got a good look into the park. Don't forget to like the video if you found it helpful. Please subscribe to our channel. If you guys want to find our content, you can find us at Facebook and Instagram at Rad Boardsport Co. If you want to check out our merchandise, you can find that at www.radboardsport.co. Shout out to everyone that came through. Dylan, almost forgot Dylan.
Oh my God.
Almost forgot Dylan.
Killed it too.
Dylan came, killed it.
well.
Get a baby shower to go to. Don't forget, Brad, to ride all day, folks.
Let us know down in the comments if you guys think Thomas Jefferson did the first kickflip.
Did a little piece of history.
He did push Mongo though.
He did push Mongo.
Still respectable.